What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2023 Hyundai Elantra. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to remove the glove box. So the first thing we'll do is open it. Then we're going to come in, and there's two stops that are preventing the glove box from coming all the way down. You can see my finger on it right here. What I'm going to do is push towards the center of the glove box. And as I do that, it allows that stop to clear, and the glove box will come down a little bit. And we'll come over here and the same thing. And if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. Pull towards the center of the glove box till that stop clears. Once you get those two stops to clear, this whole glove box assembly is just going to kind of pull off its hinges. Like that, and we can just set that down. Now taking a look in the space behind here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter, and there's this pinch clip on this side, on the right hand side. Pinch it like that, and then that door will pull off, and now we can see our actual filter right here. So when you put your new filter in, make sure you're paying attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the floor. So once you slide your new filter in with the airflow arrows pointing down, we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So I'll grab this access door. I'm going to start the left-hand side in first. You can see that tab kind of tucks in there. And then the whole thing snaps on. And then I'll grab my glove box, and I'm going to line these hinges up on the bottom. Like that. And then once the hinges are lined up, you can just push the glove box up till those two stops go past, and then it'll hold itself up. Close the glove box, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.